welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial future: starting a six-figure side hustle from scratch. If you've ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom or simply want to supplement your income, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore various side hustle ideas that have the potential to earn you six figures, even if you're starting with little to no experience. We'll break down the essential steps to identify your skills and passions, find the right niche, and develop a solid plan to turn your side hustle into a lucrative venture. You'll also hear inspiring success stories from individuals who have transformed their lives through side hustles, proving that with dedication and the right strategies, anyone can achieve their financial goals. So, whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or build a nest egg for the future, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and motivation to kickstart your journey toward financial independence. Let's get started. To kick off your journey toward a successful side hustle, it's crucial to identify your passions and skills. Start by engaging in some self-reflection. Ask yourself what activities make you lose track of time or what topics you can't stop talking about. These interests often hold the key to a fulfilling side hustle. One effective tool to evaluate your skills is a SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By mapping out your strengths and weaknesses, you can gain clarity on what you excel at and where you might need improvement. This analysis will also help you identify opportunities in the market that align with your skills. Remember, aligning your side hustle with your personal interests is vital for long-term sustainability. When you're passionate about what you do, it won't feel like work, and you'll be more motivated to push through challenges. So take the time to explore your interests and evaluate your skills. This foundational step will set you on the path to creating a side hustle that not only generates income but also brings you joy and fulfillment. Once you've identified your passions and skills, the next step is to conduct thorough market research and validate your side hustle ideas. Understanding market demand is crucial. You want to ensure that there's a viable audience for your product or service. Additionally, analyzing the competition will help you identify gaps in the market and differentiate your offering. To gather insights, utilize tools like Google Trends, which can show you how interest in your idea has changed over time. Social media platforms are also invaluable for gauging public interest and trends. Join relevant groups or forums to see what potential customers are discussing and what problems they need solving. Once you have a clearer picture of the market landscape, it's time to test your ideas. Consider creating surveys to gather feedback from your target audience or launching small pilot projects to see how your concept performs in real-world conditions. This testing phase is essential. It allows you to refine your approach based on actual data and feedback, increasing your chances of success when you fully launch your side hustle. Now that you've validated your side hustle idea, it's time to create a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan serves as your roadmap, guiding you through the initial stages and beyond. Start by outlining your goals and strategies. What do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Clearly defined objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. Next, include a detailed description of your target market, your unique selling proposition, and your marketing strategies. These components will clarify how you plan to attract and retain customers. Financial projections and budgeting are also critical elements of your business plan. Estimate your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue. This financial insight will help you understand the viability of your side hustle and ensure you're prepared for any challenges. Finally, remember that a business plan is not set in stone. As you gain experience and insights, revisit and adjust your plan as needed. Flexibility is key to adapting to market changes and optimizing your strategies for success. With a solid business plan in hand, you'll be well equipped to turn your side hustle into a thriving venture. Creating a strong brand and establishing an online presence are essential steps in launching your side hustle. Start by defining your unique value proposition. What sets you apart from the competition? This clarity will help you craft a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Your branding should reflect your values, mission, and the benefits you offer, making it easier for potential customers to connect with you. Once you have your brand defined, it's time to establish your online presence. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn are excellent for increasing visibility and engaging with your audience. Instagram is perfect for showcasing visuals and building a community, while LinkedIn can help you connect with professionals and potential clients in your industry. Consistency is key across all channels. Ensure that your messaging, visuals, and tone align with your brand identity. Whether you're posting on social media, writing a blog, or creating marketing materials, this cohesive approach not only strengthens your brand but also builds trust with your audience. By focusing on branding and online presence, you'll create a solid foundation for your side hustle to thrive in the digital landscape. To attract customers and drive growth for your side hustle, implementing effective marketing strategies is essential. Start by exploring digital marketing techniques such as search engine optimization and social media advertising. SEO helps improve your website's visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Meanwhile, social media ads can target specific demographics, allowing you to reach your ideal audience more effectively. Networking and building relationships are also crucial for expanding your customer base. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with other entrepreneurs to share insights and opportunities. These connections can lead to referrals and collaborations that enhance your visibility and credibility. Additionally, consider leveraging content marketing to establish authority in your niche. By creating valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts, you can showcase your expertise and provide solutions to your audience's problems. This not only builds trust, but also encourages potential customers to engage with your brand. By combining digital marketing techniques, networking, and content marketing, you'll create a comprehensive strategy that attracts customers and fosters sustainable growth for your side hustle. Once your side hustle is off the ground, the next step is scaling it for increased revenue. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through automation and outsourcing. By automating repetitive tasks, such as email marketing, social media posting, or inventory management, you can free up valuable time to focus on growth strategies. Additionally, consider outsourcing tasks that are outside your expertise or that consume too much of your time. This allows you to concentrate on what you do best, while ensuring that other aspects of your business are handled efficiently. Another key strategy for scaling is diversifying your income streams. Explore opportunities to offer new products or services, or consider affiliate marketing and partnerships that align with your brand. This not only increases your revenue potential, but also reduces reliance on a single source of income. Finally, embrace continuous learning and adaptation to market changes. Stay informed about industry trends, customer preferences, and emerging technologies. By being proactive and flexible, you can pivot your strategies as needed, ensuring that your side hustle remains competitive and poised for growth. With these strategies in place, you'll be well on your way to scaling your side hustle successfully. As we wrap up this video, let's summarize the key takeaways for starting a successful side hustle. First, identifying your passions and skills is crucial for finding a niche that excites you. Next, conducting thorough market research and validating your ideas will ensure there's demand for your offering. Creating a solid business plan will guide your efforts, while building a strong brand and online presence will help you connect with your audience. Don't forget the importance of effective marketing strategies to attract customers and the value of scaling your side hustle through automation, outsourcing, and diversifying income streams. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential for staying competitive in an ever-changing market. Now it's time for you to take action. Implement what you've learned today and start your journey toward financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you succeed in your side hustle journey.